Hey everyone, want to generate videos with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create AI-generated videos from scratch step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in to your account or create one if you haven't already. Next, click Create to start a new project. Choose whether you want to generate a video from a text prompt, an image, or another supported input. Now enter a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. I mean including details like the subject, background, camera movement, lighting, and art style usually gives better results. If you're using an image, upload it and select the video generation option to animate your picture. Next, adjust your settings such as video length, aspect ratio, quality, and style, depending on the options available. Click Generate and wait while Pika AI creates your video. The processing time may vary based on your request and server activity. Once your video is ready, preview it carefully. If needed, update your prompt or settings and generate another version for better results. Finally, download your completed video or share it directly from the platform if those options are available. And that's how you generate videos with Pika AI. With the right prompts and settings, you can create high-quality AI videos in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.